play a new game today, Akshit. I'll say a word and you have to tell me words with similar meanings.
That sounds interesting. Let's play.
Beautiful,
Charming,
dangerous,
risky,
brave.
daring.
Great job, Akshit. Do you know the name of this game?
No, Janvi.
It's called synonyms. Words that are similar in meaning are called synonyms.
Oh, great. Can you tell me more about synonyms?
Sure, Akshit. Let's go.
But I have a question in my mind. If we say the opposite of these words, what do we call them?
The words that are different or opposite in meaning are called antonyms. Example: present, absent, arrival, departure, appear, disappear, always, never, allow, disallow, agree, disagree, bad, good, bitter, sweet. Have you heard about compound words?
No, Janvi. What is that?
Words formed by joining two different words are called compound words. For example, rain plus bow equals rainbow. Black plus board equals blackboard.
Okay, Janvi. Let me give you some examples of compound words. How about sun plus flower is sunflower, or butter plus fly is butterfly?
Those are excellent examples, Akshit. You're good at this.
Thanks, Janvi. You are great. You always teach me something new.